In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation. The right hand is going to have broken triads on the white keys. So here's a triad, the D triad, the F triad, the G triad, the E triad, etc. But we're going to break them. We could break it going up, certainly. That's a classic thing to do. Not just in classical music, you hear it in pop culture all the time. We could also break it going down. We could break it going up and down. We don't have to repeat the top note. We'd get something like this, just the A position, G position, F position. And what is the left hand doing during this? The left hand is going to be in the same position, an octave away, doing a block, open fifth. So if we're both in D position, we're going to get this. Let's go to F, to G, D, F, G, E, C, D. Let's go to A. Now remember, this could be broken in lots of different ways. Let's try it going just up. Let's go to F, to G, back to A, let's go to D, to F, to G, to E, but you get the idea. What if we did the up and down, something like this? Instead of the hands being close together, let's put this hand way down here. Let's see what that's like. Let's go to D, E, F. G, E. What if this is just going down? Remember, block, open fifth in the left hand. To D, to E. Another E down there. Come back up. D, F. Let's do another F down here. Go to G, to A, F, the low F. We don't have to break the chord, just single tone, up, down, or a combination of those two. A very common thing to hear is the top two of the triad together and then the thumb being separate. We hear that quite a bit. Let's go to G. Let's go to E. We could make the left hand more active than the right hand. So maybe this one is still block, but in a syncopated rhythm. And this maybe is less active, but still broken. Let's go to F. The idea. Now, maybe there's all kinds of patterns you can create in the right hand with that broken triad. F, Whoops. E. D. You get the idea. This can be more active and more syncopated, and this could be quite simple. Or this is very active, and this is very simple. Create your own pattern. Sometimes combine tones together and separate out one of them. You could also do the outer two. And play the middle one separate. We hear that occasionally. Do we hear the bottom two and the top one? Not as much, but absolutely give it a shot. Hope you liked those sounds and that you will have fun doing those things.